Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Gavin or Born Hype coming at you guys with a brand new video. And in this video, we have the Jordan 1 UNC live cop. Now, this drop was insane. I actually did very, very good, even though I completely butchered part of my setup. You guys will see in the video what I mean by this. I just messed up a few things and I ended up cooking, which I don't know really how I ended up cooking as many as I did. It was very, very lucky, I would say. Prism just put in absolute work, so you guys will see in the video how that went. But if you guys do enjoy this video, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe down below. Make sure you guys turn on those post notifications, as well as check out all these sponsors. Links and discounts are in the description down below for you guys. Down there you can also find my Discord and Twitter. Those are the best ways to reach out to me if you guys have any questions or just want to get in contact with me. Those are the best ways. But without further ado, hope you guys enjoyed this live cop, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in the video. It's time for UNC's. My captures are big broken. That sucks. Okay, and now we wait. It's going to be a long release, that's for sure. There we go, we picked up on Prism. Time to cook. Give me carts. Give me them all. Okay, there we go, we hit one. A size 9 W. Carted another. Carting more over here. That's another checkout. A 16, oof. Let's go. Make that another checkout, a 14. Let's go, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So we like to see another checkout. Easy peasy. Let's go, Prism. Crazy. It's another checkout. Make that 2 more actually. Oh, we're cooking. Another checkout. Another checkout. Damn, Prism's putting in work right now. Holy. $16 checkouts. Doing better than I did on Mocha's. 100%. Prism goes crazy, bro. This bot is nuts. It's another checkout. Bro, my dumbass didn't update this. Oh, nice. We just got 2 more checkouts on Prism. Carded another one on foot action. We hit it. So overall for the UNC release, it went amazing. Prism absolutely destroyed this release for me. I ended up getting 27 pairs in total. 25 were logged, 2 were unlogged. Unfortunately, I did get a decent amount of PVs. As you guys can see behind me though, a good amount have come in so far. I believe about 60% of my pairs got PV'd. Out of all of them, and some are just on back order, so I ended up getting 9 pairs in so far, and the rest should be coming sooner than later. But yeah, I'm actually very, very, very happy with how this release turned out. Obviously it was a crazy hyped release and everybody was going for these, and I honestly, after what happened with Mocha's, I didn't think I would hit this many, especially because Mocha's were difficult. Yes, I hit like 16 or 17, something like that, but these were, I feel like, way more hyped, especially with like the UNC colorway. I don't know why, but I feel like a lot more people were talking about these than they were Mocha's. It might just be me, but I just feel like I saw these going around a lot more, and a lot of people that aren't really into sneakers were talking about these before they released, unlike Mocha's, when obviously they got hyped after everybody saw them and stuff. And they went to the moon. But these prices are staying around high 400s or mid to high 400s, which is great in men's sizes, and then grade school is, I think, like right below 400 bucks a pair. Unfortunately, I did not get any grade school on the initial. I hit one on a restock, but when I was setting up, I set up all my tasks, and I was going to run grade school on Resis. when I was creating my tasks, I made all my men's tasks first, and I'm an idiot. So when I was doing the resi tasks, I did not update my proxies. I just left them as my ISPs. So I actually ran a bunch more ISP tasks than I was supposed to, than I definitely should have done, which was not good at all, to be honest. I got very, very lucky. As you guys can see, though, there was a decent amount of IP band in there, and that's just because I was a dumbass, and I did not realize this until about halfway through the release, if not more than halfway through the release. You guys see me say I didn't update this, so I changed all the proxies to resis under my resi categories, and then for the grade school categories, I'm also a dumbass because I just duplicated my resi tasks, and I was going to just edit the skew, and I just didn't do that. I'm an idiot, and I didn't edit the skew at all, so I ran only men's, which I'm not mad about at all, especially because it's easier for me to sell men's personally than grade school. I have way more buyers that are just like normal sneakerheads that I went to school with and stuff that wear men's size, obviously. So yeah, other than that though, other than the little hiccup in my setup, we absolutely destroyed this release. I could not be happier with how it went. Prism absolutely did its thing. Prism's just been absolutely crazy for me. I can't complain at all, and I'm just very happy with how it performed. And yeah, that's really it. So let me grab one of these pairs of shoes and show you guys them real quick. So here we are, obviously normal Nike box. Then here we are getting into the shoe. Now these are so nice. If all my pairs shipped, I would definitely rock a pair, but I have enough Jordan 1s as it is right now, so I'm just gonna probably sell all these. But these are so clean. I really like these. The only thing I don't like about them is how they're like I think it's nubuck or something. I don't know. Whatever type of material this is, it gets dirty very quick. And like obviously, if you don't put like crep or something like water repellent, you can really mess these up very quickly. But other than that, the leather on these is very buttery smooth. Let me see if this will focus. Leather's very buttery smooth, especially by the swoosh here. It's very nice. This is a very nice shoe. They haven't made a nice Jordan 1 like this probably since Mocha's. But yeah, this is very nice. I like these a lot. Yeah, that is going to wrap it up for the UNC live cop. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. If you guys did, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe down below. Turn on those post notifications so you never miss another upload from me. Also, huge shout out to the sponsors. Links and discounts are down in the description down below, and those are also all the proxies I run in Prism. So everybody's always asking me what proxies I use. All the proxies I use are in the description down below for you guys, as well as discounts if you would like to use them. And yeah, that's basically it. I'm very happy Prism cooked, and I'm very happy for the next Jordan 1 to release, because hopefully it goes just like this, and hopefully by then I can figure out exactly what's making me PV, and we can destroy them. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. It has been your boy Gavin or Born Hype, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.